No matter in the workplace or on campus, PowerPoint is an indispensable tool for you. However, facing a blank page every time, we're always at a loss to start, so we turn to various templates from the internet. Scraping together ends up with another mess. Endless editing and modification with copy and paste. It takes time and effort even changing an icon. Does PowerPoint making really difficult? iSlide help you make changes. As an efficient design tool, it contains 38 design assistance functions, 8 online resource libraries, and over 300,000 professional templates and materials. Original designs created by professional team are all genuine. As long as you open the PowerPoint, you can quickly retrieve the theme templates. Tens of thousands of various relationship diagram. One-click insert and adapt to the current style. Select the icon and replace one at will. Inserting pictures also becomes easy. You can change the theme color at any time to make your document more professional with unified style and create more attractive data charts. We support private resources uploading to meet personalized demand. You just need to enter the words at last to get your presentation done. In addition, iSlide has many other efficient design functions, which can quickly complete the ring layout. One key to standardize the design reference line, and intelligent alignment to save your time of editing. Without Photoshop, you can splice the pictures. Fail to send the email because the document is too large? Use the compress function to reduce the file size. More skills will be found in the online classroom. iSlide not only supports Office and WPS, but also provides mobile applications. Utilizing fragment of time to select and create templates makes you faster in making a presentation. Over 10 million working professionals are using it. iSlide makes design simple.